Hey everybody, just wanted to let you know about my new coloring book that I've just finished. It's a dragon themed coloring book. It's got 50 pages of dragons, each on a little adventure of their own. Yeah, I'm really proud of it. I love the way it turned out. It's on Amazon right now. The link is below. All right, let's get into the video. Hey everybody, I'm Jake, and this is Grace, and today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to make puppets out of cardboard. So what you're going to need is some paper that's a little bit thicker. I recommend just the inside of a cereal box. It works really well. It's a little bit thicker, but watercolor paper or some cardstock would work fine too, but not everyone has that on hand. You're gonna need something to color with as usual. You're gonna need some tape, markers, and something to control your puppet with. We're gonna use just old pencils. And of course, some scissors to cut down your cardboard. We've already cut down our cardboard, so we are ready to go. So you're going to need an idea for a puppet. I'm going to make a monster, but you can make a puppet whatever you want to do. My monster is just gonna be well, let me back up a little bit. You want your puppet to be big enough. You don't want him to be too big, because then your stick will have a hard time controlling him and the stick won't stay on. But you don't want him to be too small either. So I recommend, maybe just about the size of a pencil width, maybe right around there. So I'm going to start off my monster. I'll teach you how to draw this monster. Grace is going to draw a dragon. If you want to draw one of the other creatures that from the channel, that's great too. Or if you want to draw something on your own, that's fine. So I'm going to start with 2 circles. This monster is going to be 2 heads tall. He's going to draw another circle here for an eye. Another circle there. I'm going to draw the blacks for the eyes as he's looking right at us. I'm going to draw the top of his smile with a nice flat U shape, and then kind of a bottom of the J going right around here. I'm going to give him a little kind of U-shaped fangs like that. Got a little shark fin like there for the edge of his mouth, and maybe a little line there to show that his cheek. Yeah, draw his horns, which is another shark fin up here, and then the horn over here. He's gonna be a furry monster, so I'm gonna give him a little hair, which are little upside down, sideways U's, like going like that. And this monster is 2 heads tall, but his body is going to come down like this. Let me grab my eraser. So now I'm going to kind of erase the bottom here. Do you need an eraser too?
Yeah.
Get my other eraser. Okay, now we have 2 erasers. And so I got his body, the bottom of his stomach right there. And draw one leg, another leg, and for his feet, they're just going to go more U's. I use a lot of U shapes in my cartooning, in my drawing. For toes. Now I'm going to draw his arms. 2 lines that kind of come down like that. And then more U's, and be sure to overlap. Let me erase this so you can see it a little bit better. So it's going to come down here like that. And the middle U, the middle finger there, is going to be a little bit lower than the others. And then this other arm is behind it, his body here. So I'm going to keep that in mind. So draw a U, overlapping U's. And then he's going to be a furry monster, so I'm just drawing a bunch of, let's kind of soften up this line here. And I'm just going to draw U's down here. How's it coming over there, Grace?
Really good.
So I'm drawing overlapping U's. And this eraser works a little bit better on this cardboard. I'm going to erase some of the lines I don't need. Oh, I forgot his mouth. A line right in here. Didn't finish his mouth. And draw his tongue. Like that. Maybe a little indication of eyebrows. The bottom of this horn is going to be a shape like this. Or a line like that. And then maybe just some zigzag on the horns like that. And I'm about done. So the next step would be to add some go in and put some dark lines on these, and I will do that shortly. And then oh, I did forget one thing: his nose. Give him little nostrils like that for his nose. All right, awesome. How's it coming, Grace? Are you ready to color?
Yep, I am.
Add our lines in. All right, so next we're gonna color. We're gonna put some dark lines over it, and we'll use our mighty coloring fists of power to do that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whew. All right, good job. They're all colored. Okay, the next step is to take your pencils and draw a line, not too dark. That's about, I don't know, was that like a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch? It's about a pencil width. About a pencil width away from the outline of the character. Draw all the way around. This is going to be the line we're going to cut. To cut out our puppet here. So all the way around, nice and slow. If you mess up, that's okay. You can always erase it because it's a pencil, like I did there. Okay. And next, you're going to want to take your scissors and just go ahead and cut along this line. Like, this is why we used a thinner cardboard, so it's easier to cut. Yeah, if we use like a cardboard box that you get from you know, your typical cardboard box that you get like from Amazon or something like that. They're a little bit harder to cut. And a cereal box cardboard is nice. Well, it's not easy to cut, but it's easier to cut. Okay, I will we'll speed this next section up. Cool. Okay. So now that you got it cut out, you know, you can erase if you have any little lines on the side. You can erase them and make it all neat and clean. And then you have the base of your puppet. So now you're going to need to get your tape and your pencil. And what you do, it's very simple. Turn it over, place your puppet and your stick like so. I recommend you use 2 pieces of tape and put them perpendicular. So you put your first one, you know, somewhere near the base of the bottom of your puppet. Push it down like that. Then take another one and lock that down just like that. And there you go. Puppet show. I don't know. Oh, all right. Oh, so there you go. We got our puppets. All right. Well, I hope you had fun and enjoyed that and got as big of a laugh out of it as we did. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like and subscribe, and that will help us spread the word and get more people drawn and having fun. So thanks for following along. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, this is our coloring book. Don't forget about it. You can get it on Amazon. Bye!